Welcome to the Royal Plate. Today, I'm sharing a quick, modern, and nutrient-dense smoothie bowl recipe that's perfect for those looking to fuel their day with vibrant, wholesome ingredients. Let's dive in. Recipe content. Base blend. Start by adding 1 cup of frozen fruit, such as mixed berries, acai, or frozen banana, into your blender. These fruits provide natural sweetness and create that signature thick, creamy texture. For a plant-based option, opt for coconut, almond, or oat milk about cup, just enough to blend everything smoothly. Boost protein. Add a scoop of plant-based protein powder or Greek yogurt, about 2 tablespoons of yogurt for a creamy base. Protein helps keep you full longer, making this bowl the perfect meal or snack. Healthy fats and fiber. For an extra health boost, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, flax seeds, or hemp seeds. These are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, essential for digestive health. Superfood add-ins. Boost the antioxidant content with 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder or matcha. These green superfoods are great for detox and energy. Blend to perfection. Blend everything on high until you get a smooth, thick consistency. The key is a creamy texture that's not too runny. Toppings and texture. Pour the smoothie base into a bowl. Now, let's make it look as good as it tastes. Top with granola for crunch, fresh fruits like kiwi, mango, or blueberries for vitamins, and a drizzle of nut butter for richness. Add some superfoods like cacao nibs or goji berries for an extra health kick. Finish with flair. To elevate your bowl further, garnish with coconut flakes, chia seeds, or a drizzle of honey or agave syrup. And there you have it, a beautiful, nutrient-packed smoothie bowl that's both delicious and energizing. It's the perfect addition to your morning routine or an afternoon pick-me-up. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more professional recipes on the Royal Plate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.